Hi friends, this video shows how to set new alarm sound. Go to settings, tap on the settings app icon, then go down, then select sound. Go down, tap on default alarm sound. So classic, that is a default alarm. So we can see list of alarms are available in this phone. We can select one from this list. There is none. If you don't want alarm, we can select none. If you want to set custom alarm from your phone, we can use this add alarm option. Tap on add alarm. Then from your phone, you can select one music file, MP3 or any other audio file. So that way we can set custom alarm. Okay, so this way we can set new alarm. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe my channel. Please like and share the video.